Oh, listen. So, we back doing this. And,
we come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
But, exciting news, right? At the warehouse, that the person who contracted the papers, we got a contract and we picked the papers up from the warehouse. At the warehouse, see, my son somebody said something slight like, oh yeah, you was driving real fast, something. I ain't hear him say it. I ain't hearing none of that. You know what I'm saying? We ain't going for none of that. Now, these are some of the errors, you know what I'm saying, that my father put inside of me. You know what I'm saying? R.I.P. Big Pops. Because as soon as you get to talking slick, you know what I'm saying, activate that. I got an inner desire that wants to come out, and it wants confrontation. Like, you know, the people that at your job, at your place of business, wherever you be at, they don't necessarily say what they say behind your back to your face. That ain't how I want to say it to your face, just to see your response to what I just said. You know what I'm saying? I want that pressure. For what happens as a casualty of that is, you know what I'm saying, right now, I was a little tired with driving around. It's been kind of a long day already. It's been a while. But just that little interaction, it was probably 2 minutes, just that little interaction, boy, got my heart pumping. You know what I'm saying? She was talking some gangster stuff on the thing. You gonna put that code in or you ain't go, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, I ain't got nothing to do with this. I ain't got to put nothing in. I'm going to tell on you. Man, listen, you sound like my little brother's little brother, man. If you don't get the funk out at it, you know what I'm saying? So with all that being said, we in motion. We'll holler.
5 hours later.
You can experience enough pain in life that it can clobber you to the ground, and you believe you can't do it. You believe that this is it for you. No, it's not.
Don't you quit. Don't you quit. You do make a difference. You do make a difference. As weak as you are, as tired as you are, as many mistakes as you made, you do make a difference. There is something they would lose if you were not there. There was something that they would miss if you were not there. You do make a difference.
Hey, last time y'all see me in here, it was for the little tip job. Whew, I had to stand in the cold, boy, it was crazy. Now, we gotta go deliver these to the 10th floor for a whole different job. Oh, man, but all forward motion is motion, no matter how big or small the steps, you hear me? Ah! Okay, I got it out. I got a shopping pay for the Uber, and I forgot my wallet. And they ain't that bad, right? You got a shopping pay, they give you a little code that you scan and you going about your business. Man, that was the dude right there that was in front of me in the line. I had to wait in the long ass line before I realized I forgot my wallet. Do the pocket tap. Where my wallet? Run outside, ask the kids. They like, I don't know where your wallet at there. Oh my God, that mean I ain't got it. I gotta go all the way back home. I gotta leave the Safeway line. I gotta come back to the Safeway now and then go to the register to the person that I left, because I sure ain't say nothing to the poor lady. You know what I'm talking about? Like, hey baby, you know what I'm saying? Let me get my joints back. You hear me? But it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. And I'll see y'all when it's all right.
My yeah, remember hard nights when we was getting to them figures, yeah. Swear when I was down, ain't nobody keep it real, yeah. Yes, we need it all, cause we ain't scared to pull the trigger, yeah. My yeah, remember hard nights when we was getting to them figures, yeah. Swear when I was down, ain't nobody keep it real, yeah. Yes, we need it all, cause we ain't scared to pull the trigger, yeah. My yeah, I can't be let down, no. My yeah, so I can't be let down. So we're rocking the night, we heading straight to the top, yeah.
Hey, yo, you know what I'm saying? We got another one. We got another one before Jesus. It already been a long morning, and I'm still tired. You understand me? But I want to end the video off saying, look, it's been a while. I've been living. You know what I'm saying? Trying to listen. When you in survival, you ain't even been living, you've been surviving. You know what I'm saying? And just barely. You understand? But it's It's all about the vigor that you attack your day with, right? A lot of times we let yesterday's loss prevent us from expecting tomorrow's win, right? And you gotta attack each and every single day with the expectation that you're going to have something that happens that places you closer to where you want to be in life. You feel what I'm saying? So you can't, what's up, gang? You can't do it, right, if you don't have the mentality like, okay, it's gonna be bad. If you got the, man, listen, it's just another Tuesday, it's just another Wednesday, it's just another, bro, then it's, you not gonna take that risk. You're not gonna go out on a limb and do nothing. You ain't gonna go out of your comfort zone. You ain't gonna take no risk. You ain't go, you know what I'm saying? And that's not acceptable when you're trying to get somewhere drastically different than where you are, because your past decisions got you where you are. So then you got to make drastically different decisions today to make sure you don't stay where you are today. You feel what I'm saying? Man, listen, somebody here. But with that being said, man, you know, I guess I'll see y'all soon. But we putting a button and a bow on this one. Hey, yo, and I hope everybody had, you know what I'm saying, has good holidays. I don't know which holiday you watching this at, you know what I'm saying, which one to pass, which one is still, you know what I'm saying, whatever the case may be, you know, with much love, and we'll holler.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.